In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the annoying problem of missing Instagram features on your iPhone or Android device. Just follow my steps carefully and watch until the end to avoid mistakes. If certain Instagram features aren't showing up for you, such as the option to reset suggested content, reset your algorithm, or post up to 20 photos and videos in a carousel, don't worry, I'll walk you through 2 solutions to fix this issue. First, ensure your Instagram app is updated. If you're using an Android device, open the Google Play Store. If you're on an iPhone, go to the App Store. Search for Instagram and check if an update is available. If you see the update button, tap it and wait for the update to complete. Once updated, open the app and check if the missing features are now available. If the button says Open instead of Update, your app is already on the latest version. If updating doesn't solve the problem, the issue may be caused by a glitch or bug. To fix this, go to your device's settings. On Android, navigate to the Apps section, find Instagram, and clear both the data and cache. On an iPhone, select Offload App to remove unnecessary files and data. After that, reinstall Instagram by tapping the Reinstall App option. This will refresh the app, remove bugs, and ensure you're on the latest version. By following these steps, you should regain access to the missing Instagram features. However, if the options you're looking for still don't appear, it may be because Instagram is rolling out these features gradually across different regions. In that case, you'll need to wait a few more weeks. In the meantime, keep checking for updates in the App Store or Google Play Store to ensure you get the latest features as soon as they're available. See you in the next video.